the forest's largest predator, a female rock python. But right now, her need is not for food, it's for warmth. She finds a rare patch where a shaft of sunlight strikes the ground, and she begins to bask. She's cold-blooded, so this is the only way she can raise the temperature of her body. But now she's becoming very warm indeed, more than 10 degrees hotter than usual. At 40 degrees centigrade, she's in danger of killing herself. Just in time, she moves off. She disappears below ground. This is her nest, and it's full of giant eggs. It's critical for the eggs' development that they stay above 30 degrees. She gently wraps her superheated body around the eggs, passing on to them the warmth of the sun. She has done this every day for 3 months. The repeated heat stress on her body is so great it could be lethal. And at the very least, it will take 3 years for her to recover from incubating this one clutch of eggs. At last, her efforts are rewarded. But they are themselves vulnerable. That only 1 in 100 of her youngsters is likely to reach adulthood.